Around some say game where boy a course where the Wolves Park Stadium
Germany.
Abdallah phobia. Yeah, also game where course where the Wolves Park Stadium, baby a Hamburg. A bomb game in Germany because the next for the moon to be mobile mangasa chrome Ukraine. I want him mobile no ho. And this summer back every PM or Germany couple games no ho. Now your pawn game in Mahu and some Barcelona for or more supporters snaker. Say the last time Donetsk Esha mono or Champions League. That was in 2008, 2009. The time no Moshe Mutune or Champions League final no. That year no Donetsk for sure Donetsk for sure got was koje but therefore won't mean hiding behind the record to cover your shape. No kwase me say enwa na ningwa support enema club FC Barcelona. Uwe game na course na. Now, almost group na tie Barcelona could have had a draw or a win to qualify. Because senkenwa game no, omo win yan kan qualify, omo bo draw kan qualify. Omo win yan kan topic group no kra. Nemo manfa.
Okay.
They played in Germany. A team played home away from home. Eshe club FM Barcelona by 1-0. Pay the stack pack of players and now we are group now. Barcelona for 9 points, Porto 9 points, Donetsk 6, Antwerp they full Kofi, almost free, almost. And the two teams are qualifying here, City and Leipzig. Almost are qualified for next round with 2 games to go. And Barcelona for when you come qualify, no man winning. Now the group between Barcelona, Porto and Donetsk, no, we let me qualify now ye.
Yeah. But so Barcelona they be qualify.
Oh here a draw
because of Antwerp.
We do 10 points ah.
Yeah.
We have
Antwerp. Antwerp. They were inside. Na kaniaka.
Yes, I got 2 games. So we all waiting for
the next Europa.
Yes.
That one.
Yes, because they are on 6. Okay, Porto won 9 points. Porto Richards Barcelona for you need 1 win.
So Porto sub Antwerp.
Yes, all here 1 win. The one you 1 win omoko.
Well, now Porto play Shakhtar Donetsk over Barcelona.
Yes. So we are all looking at the Quebec. Therefore, to me. And I will be upon again. There's a video from Chiringuito TV. And I want this video we buy. Barcelona for team the ball we are Mupiako.
Very sad.
Where coach na nim. Among us say so go mu mase. They know say game na ball it is just shameful. Say I donate for na elbow e omukrum. And I'm sure one na omukrum in front of their supporters and ka problem be any. This is a neutral ground. Yenina yankobo. With all the players at Barcelona for the go game no. Just look at this results. Is that you know? They are hiding behind records. But therefore so we game now. Look at Papa your friend Xavi. What did he say? Xavi Shah say oh coachy in the Champions League, you know, about 12 games. We lose 5, we win 5, about draw 2. And he's lost many games as he's won. 12 games in the Champions League. We lose Makumakwenu. Apart there, no question say Sanka team way. England common manual difference be any.
Barcelona.
Yes. Barcelona for fee. Come England common manual difference in him. Problem is man you for face no. I'm facing the same thing.
Okay.
I'm born and gasanye.
Okay.
Barcelona for born.
But mutimbo passes 3 4 5. United ndi ontimi more passes 3 more than 3. Na say. Manchester United.
Oh, we passes be Zakra.
So what ball pass 1 2 3. Fourth one be say. And be intercepted. Jai kosi.
Difference be any of man you for mu. Because and no so we line up on the ball. However, you can't tell me say Barcelona produced a bad team. A team with Cancelo, Araujo, Christensen, Marcus Alonso, Xavi, Oriol Romeo, Ilkay Gundogan, Ferran Torres, Lewandowski, Rafinha. Team we. Say Donetsk in the neutral grounds. No. Therefore, it is not done. Even though say it's football, we understand. But per the quality of Barcelona for one, they shouldn't be beaten by Donetsk. And we're neutral grounds. But Xavi didn't the boys no quiet no. And the upon game no, they lost the game. No, therefore, Araujo sem home go now, obo concede no. Because yeah, there. Apparently can go no share now. It was 29 combination of passes. Combination any. Donetsk for sure on the play. All passing ball on 29 times. And now Man U for 20 million. All passing ball on 29 times. And a ball quarter no. So how can you tell me say a team no Barcelona team wasn't pressing, Barcelona team wasn't the attitude was down, and I think that playing against Donetsk, a team first in Ghana ball and the best game pressing team we are saying. Oji both Barcelona for instance, so magic ball for instance 1 second. Oji na magic. Now menwa Donetsk 14 no, I produce 29 passes and some of the ball to them, and this is the goal. Oji on your live on Facebook. Go nini. When a number of players are not moving in box room, and some are sick and I heard the ball on the ball. I mean, post no hammer. Not just look at this. When a number of players,
Johnny Evans and Lindelof.
Yes, so we will count a ball. Come on, cross neighbor. If you look at the number of players, and I'm in box room 4. So still now, sick and play the ball on the ball in Tottenham.
Because John Evans.
Why? Harry Maguire.
John Evans, Harry Maguire,
Diego Dalot.
And Dalot.
So it is something I think say Papa and Xavi need to fix. So a team no, they concede too many goals. Or for Sao Bobo, not some person who concede goals. You should be a team who outscore the opponent. Say team no let bubble. Now washout. Now o to share the bebrea. E ho na at me cause they make me concede goal. But apart from the Xavi buy no, wabo washout 1-0. 1-0. 1-0 so 22 times. And he said, "O share no one Barcelona for ya dey pa no, e draw."
Okay.
That is the problem of FC Barcelona. And I think say looking at the game there course so Volkswagen Stadium one of no, he has to face something. Okay. One other thing, I branch a friend no, I can say Lewandowski. Let me carry no 22 games. And in 1-0. And do the catch Barcelona for 1 goal. On better car, but on better only a problem. Okay. And no want me and And Lewandowski. What is about 6 games on Shegu? The last 6 games on Shegu. The last time Abantana called 6 games and on Shegu no, it was February 2011. I think I was Dortmund about 12 years ago. And yes, our record no. From that time, almost 6 games about on Twatana. No menra. I'm from Abantana. I think say Xavi. So on the attackers no didn't come because Lewandowski is not a player to be like and say, "Oh, kita ball won't mean Shegu."
Okay.
Supply them and supply them fourth of the midfield. The midfield need to support Abante and Lewandowski. But I think say they will qualify. But to go in the round 16, they want a big problem no. Because you're playing against the big guys. Now Donetsk more show. Ushabola, Ubisha won't make take cardio for a very serious issue for Club FC Barca. I'm looking at the fact that they will try and qualify, and after qualification, no, maybe they will be on form to be able to qualify for and I say play along for Club FC Barcelona for fans. No, but I know there for total disgrace from Club FC Barcelona. Therefore, I'm here.